pinch of salt, pepper, oregano, onion powder, basil, garlic, fresh mint. Mix it. Oh yeah. There you go, seasoned up burgers, meal prep, done. The big flavor in there this week though is fresh chopped mint. I love changing it up on a weekly basis. That way I don't get bored of eating the same foods when we're doing a lot of meal prep and we start training. Whether it be chicken, fish, ground beef, always try and mix up the seasonings, the spices, the herbs, and that way everything seems a little bit more fresh idea-wise. Let's give these a try. I think they're gonna be fantastic. And in fact, check out the easy recipe on my channel as well for my mint-based Greek yogurt sauce. This is a fantastic combination. So you can see how I tie in the flavors together. Fresh mint in the burger and fresh mint yogurt sauce. That way I've got extra protein right with those burgers. Gives a really good flavor. Oh yeah. Boom! Fantastic. Love it.